Are you ready to take your fitness journey to the next level? Join us as we guide you through a series of high-intensity exercises designed to help you achieve rapid weight loss and improve your overall fitness. Exercise is not just about weight loss. It's a body activity that enhances physical fitness, improves overall health and wellness, and brings joy to your life. Our rapid weight loss workout is all about high-intensity exercises that will push your limits, burn calories, and boost your metabolism. Get ready to sweat and see results. Our workout routine includes a variety of full-body exercises that target every muscle group. From cardio to strength training, we've got you covered. Don't go on this journey alone. Join our supportive community of fitness enthusiasts who will motivate and inspire you to keep pushing forward. Tracking your progress is key to staying accountable and reaching your weight loss goals. Use our workout tracker to monitor your achievements and celebrate your milestones. Are you ready to transform your body and achieve rapid weight loss? Join us today and let's embark on this incredible journey together.